Screen mirroring allows to share content from a device to another device screen. In this video, I'll show you how you can mirror your phone's screen to PC. You don't need to install any third-party apps for doing this. There's a feature called Connect in Windows. So let's get into how you can install it and mirror your phone screen. Go to Settings and then System Settings. Here, go to Projecting to this PC. You'll have to add an optional feature in order to mirror your Android screen to PC wirelessly. So click on Optional Features. Then add a feature. Search for wireless display. Now you will see this feature. Select it and click on Install. It may take a few seconds to install. After installation, go to Projecting to this PC. Right here, you should see Launch Connect tab to project to this PC. Click on it and your PC is ready to connect wirelessly. You need your Wi-Fi enabled on your PC for this to work, or else you will see this error right here. A wireless connection is needed for mirroring the screen. You can check if your Wi-Fi is enabled or not by going to Settings and in Network and Internet, go to Wi-Fi settings. Here you can turn on your Wi-Fi. For connecting to PC from Android, drag the Quick Access panel. Here you should have an option called Cast or Smart View. In Samsung phones, it is Smart View. If you don't see this option, go to Settings and then Display Settings and look for a screen sharing option. Other common terms include Smart View, Quick Connect, etc. If you still don't see this option, your device may not support screencasting. This feature is only available on devices running Android 8 or later. Now turn on screen sharing. So mine is Smart View. After that, you will see the name of your desktop in available devices to connect. Tap on it and it will ask for permission. Allow it. Then a PIN number will appear on your PC. Type the PIN number in the invitation request in your phone within 25 seconds. Then tap accept and your Android screen will appear on PC. So this is how it would look in your PC after mirroring the screen. Keyboard will also be connected. The speaker or headphone connected to your PC will be used for playing audio. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. Share this video to your friend who might find it helpful. Subscribe to Android Logbook for receiving more videos like this. See you next time.